Welcome children in bio class. Children, now you have to study genetics. In the genetics, children, you have to study heredity and variations. You know, genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity and variation. Genetics word has taken from Greek word genesis. It deals with the mechanism of transmission of characters as well as variation of characters from parents to offsprings. It is concerned with the principles that govern origin or birth of living beings. The term genetics was given by William Bateson in the year 1906. So in the genetics, I told you have to study heredity and variation. So what is the heredity? Heredity is the transmission of genetically based characters from parents to their offsprings. So you can observe in your surrounding, in the environment, eggs laid by sparrow hatch into sparrow, but that never differ from their parents. Seeds of wheat always produce wheat plant. We cannot get any other type of plants. Like this, you can see dogs always produce pups which grow into dog. So heredity is the phenomena of like begets like in successive act of reproduction. So we can define heredity a process by which characters are transmitted from parents to offspring or generation to generation is called heredity. So children, I told about the heredity. Therefore, you can observe young ones look like their parents. Cat produces cat, not dog. An elephant gives birth only to a baby of elephant, not any other animal. Seed of mango germinate and develop into a mango tree. Human gives birth to only humans, not to apes. Even you can see the bacteria which are produced in the curd, that is lactobacillus bacteria, that is also all of the same type. So you can take plants, animals or microorganisms, but they are producing of their own kind by the process of reproduction. Children, young ones which are produced, as I told, like begets like. It means the young ones of the same parents are like to their parents. So young ones are like to their parents. but we observe never exactly similar to their parents. There is some variations. They are not photocopy of their parents. Even children are produced by the parents. The children are not also look alike. There are some differences between the young ones of the same parents and between the young ones and parents. So there is small differences are there. So in this way, children, you will observe the offsprings, young ones, which are produced by the parents. They are never identical to their parents. Some difference is there. That may be small difference. They are not identical to their parents. There are some differences are there. So these differences are called variation. So these differences found between the young ones of same parents or various individuals belonging to the one species are called variations. These variations are very small between the various members of one family, or more between various families of one population. The variations are and similarities are clearly observed amongst the offsprings produced in sexual reproduction. If offsprings are produced by a sexual reproduction, so there is more similarities, but when they are produced by sexual reproduction, there is more variations. So due to these variations, one differ from others. All human beings share many characters among themselves. But they look different in several features like eye color, hair shape, tongue rolling, skin color, type of earlobe, body weight. So like this many features are. They are different. The individual members of a family too show differences in body features. The same is true for animal. If you are taking the animals, there is also differences. So early human beings knew that causes of variations was hidden in sexual reproduction. They successfully bred domesticated varieties from wild plants and animals through selective crossing and artificial selection. For example, chicken is the domesticated form of ancestral wildfowl, and Indian cow, Sahiwal, is the domesticated form of ancestral wild cow. So children, you studied what is genetics. So genetics is science which deals with the mechanism of heredity and variation. The term genetics was introduced by William Bateson. So children, you are studying in the genetics, heredity and variation. So what is the heredity? The transmission of genetically based characters from parents to their offsprings. So how the genetically based characters transfer from parents to offsprings, generation to generation, that we study in the heredity. Variations, the differences found between the young ones of the same parents, or differences between the young ones and the parents, that is called variations. And there is more variations when offsprings are produced by sexual reproduction, means by fusion of two gametes of different parents. But the offsprings which are produced by asexual reproduction, they are preserving the similarities, and there is more similarities among the individuals of the same parents if they are produced by asexual reproduction. So I told early human beings knew that causes of variations was hidden in sexual reproduction. If offsprings are produced by sexual reproduction, there is variation. Therefore, they were using this method for producing domesticated varieties of the plants and animals.